As the Office Manager, you can export the call history into a CSV file by clicking the Export button. You can also configure a scheduled export to be set by clicking Scheduled Exports. Click New Export to configure a new call history export. Name the report and select the frequency. Monthly will let you select the day of the month the report is sent. Weekly will allow you to select the day of the week and time the report is sent on a weekly basis. Daily will allow you to select the time to start the report every day. And Custom will let you set the period of time to capture as well as the start time of the export. You can also configure how often this export will repeat and the interval in which it should repeat. By clicking Also Run this export immediately will send the file as soon as the scheduled export has been configured. The email notification option will send an email when the export is completed. The After Completion option allows you to determine what to do with the call history export. Do Nothing will keep a copy locally on the Manager portal. Email Attachment will email the CSV file to the specified email address below. Upload via FTP and Secure FTP will ask you for the server's credentials and the remote path the CSV file should be sent to. The Options tab will allow you to filter for just a specific extension. Select if you want the export to include inbound calls, outbound calls, headers, or filter for off-net calls only. After the scheduled export has been created, you can edit any of the options by clicking the Edit button. You can also download the scheduled export or delete it.